In this support video, we will be installing the water supply for the dishwasher model 8067. The input water line is located at the front of the dishwasher. Remove the front panel by removing the two front screws. Depending on your serial number, you will need a 3/8 or 3/4 inch brass elbow. Please verify the serial number to ensure you get the correct elbow. Next, we will attach the 3/8 inch brass elbow to the unit, but first use the seal thread to avoid water leaks. Attach the 3/8 inch brass elbow to the unit and firmly tighten. Attach your water line to the other end and firmly tighten. The other end should be sized to fit your water supply. Screw back the front panel. Next, we will attach the drain hose located in the back of the unit. Attach the hose clamp first, then the drain hose. Firmly tighten the drain hose. Turn on the water supply and run a cycle to check for leaks. This completes the installation.